Hi there, welcome to my channel. I am going to be walking you through how you can rebrand your Dubsado client portal. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Nicola Melinda and I am your host of the She Talks Systems community. We have a Facebook group and also this amazing channel. So on this channel, we talk all about Dubsado and ClickUp and how you can use it within your online business. So like I said before, today I'm going to show you, or we are going to rebrand my Dubsado client portal in today's video. Perhaps you are curious as to how you can use it in your business, or maybe you just want to make your portal a bit more aesthetically pleasing, then this video is definitely going to help you. And I also invite you to check out my freebie, the Client Management Starter Kit, which covers 10 reasons why you do want to up-level your client experience and guides you through the 6 steps of how you can use Dubsado to help you achieve this in your business. I'll drop the link below and you can go ahead and grab that. So let's get into today's video. Okay, so we are inside of my client portal and actually we are going to redesign this area. We are going to rebrand it and spruce it up a little bit. So my branding has changed a little bit, not too much, but it has changed slightly. So I want to ensure that my portal reflects my new aesthetics, my new photos that I have for my business. So this is currently what the portal looks like. And just as a quick walkthrough, this is the banner area that we will be rebranding. So the areas where we can customize the portal is the main banner and also the logout button. You do want to ensure this is visible on your banner. And then the headers, we can change up the colors of the headers and the font color as well. So we're going to change these areas and just bring it more in line with the branding. Now inside of Dubsado, you'll be able to find your portal settings. If you head to settings and then portal, it will bring you up to this screen. So you can see here, this is the banner that we already have attached, but we also have a larger banner, which is what shows on mobile phones. So your clients are able to access the client portal on their mobile phone. And so you want to ensure that you have a banner that actually looks good when they log in on the phone as well. So there are just a couple of settings I want to walk you through in the background here. The first is the portal welcome message. So this is essentially a generic welcome message. And if I untick the box, it pulls up a welcome to the client lounge. Now, this is a box that I will keep ticked because the banner itself will in effect replace this welcome message. What you'll notice with this message, you're not able to add in your fonts or make this more in line with your branding. So we keep this box ticked so that it hides the welcome message for you. The next is that you have portal projects label override. So what this is that label actually relates to this area here. So if you don't tick the box, or if you don't fill out this box, it will just label as project. So you can relabel this in line with whatever it is. So if you're, for example, a VA or an OBM, you might say your project is fine. If you do setups like I do, you might say your systems project. If you're an events planner, you might say your events. So it could be something more in line with your service, but as this is very, very generic, I would keep it as generic as possible. So I'll just say your projects. So that works fine. Next, we've ticked the hide logo in the portal. Now, again, if I untick this box, there's an area for me to upload my business logo to my portal. The reason why I'm going to keep this hidden is that, again, I am putting in a custom banner. So I don't need to have my logo showing. And let me show you what it looks like if I keep these boxes unticked so you can just see the difference. Okay, so you can see the difference, what happens, or what it looks like when you have the logo ticked and the welcome message ticked. So it shows over the banner, it doesn't look great. So you can see here that we really don't need to have these elements included. So we tick these to keep those hidden, and then our banner doesn't have this showing up. So if you do have this showing on your portal, head over to your settings and ensure that you untick those boxes. So the next areas that you will want to look at are the banners, the colours. So for the portal banner colour, I keep this as just white and just keep that clear. The font colour will be what will show up on the banner, or on the banner itself. So I definitely want to make sure this is a prominent colour so that clients can see to log out of their portal. Then the header colour, this is the headers that you will see here. So the main colour is black and the font colour is white. So let's jump into designing this inside of Canva. Now I have two different templates that I am using, and I will share the sizings with you guys so you'll be able to see those pop up, and you'll be able to see that and grab those for yourself. If you do want to grab some Dubsado templates, I do sell design templates to help you brand out your Dubsado. This is part of my CEO design kit. I will link that below in the description and you'll be able to grab those. And we do have portal banners inside of the template kit. So we're going to start off with the desktop banner, and as you can see, we're really not needing to use this aesthetic anymore. So I'm actually going to make some updates as we go. So first of all, I'm actually going to change the wording. So my fonts and colours have changed. So I'm just going to say, welcome to your client portal. And even this font has changed as well. So quite a lot has happened. So we have an area for images. I also have some elements here as well. So I'm going to take out my face. Now you don't have to have your face in there. Some people do, some people don't. So first things first, I'm going to just mess around with the layout. So definitely experiment with the layout, what feels good, what looks good. And then I'm going to switch up my fonts. So I am going to use the new fonts that are being used in my business now and just switch out the colors. So I really want this to be more in line aesthetically for what my clients are now used to seeing. So you can see already just the difference that it's made having this aesthetic here. And what I might do is switch around the image. And so we've got a translucent background. So you can see you can really play around with the design. There are different ways that you can include your branding, your aesthetic to the portal banner. And make sure that this colour is prominent. And then let's head into my branding photo. So if you have your branding photo saved inside of ClickUp, then you can literally add those elements into your banner image. So you can really customize it and make it more in line with your branding. So I'm going to play around with the imagery. Actually, what I like is going to make that font just a little bit bigger, and I want my image to be a bit more prominent. So we're going to do that. Now, as you can see, I'm really just playing around with what looks good, feels good, and just making it look much cleaner overall. Okay, I like this. Perfect. Okay, I like this. Let's go back to our brand pictures. So I do like to just experiment, see if anything else looks better. Okay, I actually really like this. Okay, so I really like this. I'm going to literally keep this aesthetic. I like that you can just see the laptop, see me typing, and again, it's just giving a really warm welcome to the client portal. So now what I want to do is have a portal banner image that also reflects the mobile banner as well. So I'm going to do something a little bit similar. I'm not going to steer too far away from the current setup, so the current design. So again, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to refine the font and the wording. So let's just say welcome, make this welcome. And the whole idea is that your branding is consistent across the board, right? We want our clients to know that they are logging into your portal. This is your branding, your world. So let's make sure that the fonts are all in place and all connected. Okay. So again, I'm going to grab my fonts and here we go. So we're going to give our clients a really warm welcome. Now I do want to use an image similar, so I'm going to see if I can grab an element so that we can pop in an image. Okay, so I'm just popping in an image frame in here, and what we'll do is we'll add in a similar image, and we can move this across, so I can take my keep the aesthetic of the photo in there, and I can choose to make it a bit more transparent, or I can just keep it like this if I wanted to. I could also use a different image. And because these are essentially my branding images, they work really well. So we're just going to make sure that's all lined up. And one element I will add in is a line. Okay, so I popped my logo just across here as well. So I'm also keeping in mind where the logout button is going to be on this particular banner. So I do want to ensure that the logo button is in a clear place. And so you can pop your logo sort of anywhere on the screen that might feel sensible, but I'll keep it in line here as well. So that would be fine. And if I wanted to, I could move this all across. Perhaps just reposition the line. Let's just send it back a bit. So then that comes into play here. So that again, might just make this a little bit smaller. So you can see just by playing around with it and seeing what works, lining things up, you get a feel for how your banner can really look. Now, this is definitely a major difference on what I had before. So I'm really happy with both of these banners. So we've got our portal banner here. We also have our mobile banner. So this will be for our desktop. Now, what you can do is go ahead and download. Now, you'll pick your page. You don't need to download these banners as transparent. So just literally download the page that you need from your Canva. And then we are going to upload our new banners into Dubsado directly. And we're also going to revamp the colours used in Dubsado. So let's download the mobile banner as well. Okay, so we're inside of Dubsado. We've removed our old banners and now we're going to upload our new ones. So if we head over into the downloads, we'll upload our desktop banner. So that's the long one. And then our larger banner is our mobile banner as well. So we've uploaded our new banner images. Now I'm just going to grab my font color here. I'm going to keep the banner color white still, but I will experiment in this area. So I'm going to change up the colors and I want to know what this looks like if I make my headers gold and my font black, and then change the banner font to black. So I'm going to change these settings. Now, the settings do update in real time. So if I'm already logged into a portal, I can log out and then I can literally log back in. So this is what you see. So we have our updated portal banner. So you can see there we've got our wording, welcome to your client portal. We've got our logout button. Now here I do feel that the wording is a little bit big. So I'm going to just lock all of these elements, make sure that they don't move because I do like how they look, but for the wording and text, it doesn't need to be as big. So we're just going to just make it a bit smaller. Still like the placement, and also I'm going to add in a gold line because I think that just breaks up the look of the image as well. So let's add in our gold line feature. We'll update that. Fab. Okay, so I'm going to just add that in here. Love it. Everything else I'm really happy with, and so I think this is going to be a great portal. We'll just download it again, keep the settings, download that. What I'm going to do is log out and then head back over to my portal banner area, upload my new banner that I've just downloaded. So let's bring the new banner in and we'll click save. That looks so much better. You guys, this is now going to be my new client portal, and I will also show you what the mobile banner looks like now that we've updated that as well. So going through that process with me, I absolutely love diving in and customizing my Dubsado. So if you want to see more videos on how you can customize your Dubsado, your forms, definitely stick around. I'll be sharing more videos like that on this channel. If you do want to go ahead and start branding out your Dubsado yourself, link to grab my CEO system design kit, which is my Dubsado Canva design templates. These are templates you can absolutely use in Canva. No coding is required. So definitely go ahead, grab yourself that template bundle and get designing your Dubsado today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit subscribe, like, and also make sure you join the She Talks Systems Facebook group where you can be a part of our online community. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching.